Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to solve this problem. Okay, before going to the solution, first of all read the question very carefully. What is the question? If the population of a town is P in the beginning of any year, then it becomes 3 plus 2P in the beginning of the next year. If the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, then the population in the beginning of 2034 will be. He is asking what is the population at the beginning of 2034. Okay, what he is given? I am writing here. He is given in 2019 the population is 1000. And he is telling that at any beginning of the any year the population is P. I am assuming it is the beginning year, so I am write it as P. Then in 2020, at the beginning of 2020, what will be the population? Is telling that the next year population is the 3 plus 2P. If the population of beginning year is P, then the next year population will be 3 plus 2P. Okay. In 2019 it is P. Then in 2020 what will it become? 3 plus 2P. For the sake of convenience, I am writing it as 2P plus 3. Okay, that means 2P plus 3 means 2 times of the population of the before year plus 3. Okay, in 2020 it will be 2P plus 3. P here is before the year population. That means 2P plus 3 is 2 times of the population of the before year plus 3. In 2021, what will be the population? 2 times of the before year population. 2P plus 3 plus 3. What will it become? 2 to the 4P. 2 3 is 6 plus 3, that is 4P plus 9. Okay. In 2022, here also same, 2 times of the this before year population, 4P plus 9 plus 3, that is equal to 2 4s are 8P plus 2 9s are 18 plus 3 21. Then what will be the 2 in 2023? 2 times of the before year population, 8P plus 21 plus 3, that is 2 8s are 16P plus 2 into 21, that is 42 plus 3 45. Like this, if we go on like this, we get in 2034 also. In 2034 also, but it is doing very consuming time. If we find the relation between these terms, then we can get the 2034. How we can get the relationship? Suppose I am assuming it as first term. It is second. It is third. It is fourth. Like this I am so on. In 2034 what will be the term? In 2020, from 2021 to 2034 14 terms are there. but here also we have 2020. Total 15 terms. From 2020 to 2034, how many terms are there? 15 terms. It is first term, then if you go on like this, 2034 will become 15th term. We have to find out the 15th term. 15th term is the beginning of the population in the year 2034. Okay. How to solve this relation between these 4 terms? Here, observe here. In each term, 2 terms are there. The terms having p terms and single numerical values. Okay. I am separating these p values here. 2p, 4p, 8p, 16p. First of all, I am finding the relation between these 2p, 4p, 8p, 16p. See here, 2p, 4p, 8p, 16p, up to so on. What we want here, 15th term. Okay. See here, it looks like what? 2 to the power of 1. If you observe these terms, how it looks like? It is 2 to the power of 1, it is 2 to the power of 2, it is 2 to the power of 3, it is 2 to the power of 4, like this. Okay. It is 2 to the power of 2, it is 2 to the power of 3, it is 2 to the power of 4, up to so on. First term is 2 to the power of 1, second term is 2 to the power of 2, third term is 2 to the power of 3, fourth term is 2 to the power of 4, then the 15th term is 2 to the power of 15p. Okay. We got this in 15th term, we got the p value, the term having p value. Okay. Then next the numerical values, single terms, that is not having the p. Okay. 3, 9, 21, 45. Now I am finding the relation between 3, 9, 21, 45. See here, 3, 9, 21, 45, up to so on 15th term. Okay. See here, in every term we are having common 3. So, if we common 3 in each term, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 15s are 45. Okay. Up to 15th term we have to find. Next, if you observe these terms, how we can write these terms? We can write 1 as 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. 3, how we can write? 4 minus 1, right? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is also same, 8 minus 1, 16 minus 1, up to so on. Okay. That means like the same here, 2, 4, 8, 16, here also 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, that means 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, like this. That means 2 to the power of 1 minus 1, 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. The 15th term is what? First term is 2 to the power of 1 minus 1, second term is 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, third term here, fourth term here, then the 15th term is 2 to the power of 15th minus 1. Okay. So, from this the 15th term, what is the 15th term? 3 into 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Okay. What is the 15th term here? 3 into, here 3 is multiplying to this number. So, 3 into 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Okay. If we add this term, we get the 15th term here. Okay. Now I am here adding from the 2 to the power of 15p, 15th term, 2 to the power of 15p plus 3 into 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Okay. Here 2 to the power of 15p plus 3 into 2 to the power of 15 minus 3 ones are 3. Okay. From here 2 to the power of 15 is common. So, we common 2 to the power of 15, then we got p plus 3 minus 3. Okay. We get the relationship, we get the term that is having 15th term. What he is given, p is 1000. So, I am substituting this 1000 here. What will be the answer? 2 to the power of 15, 1000 plus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power of 15 into 1003 minus 3. This is the population at the beginning of 2034. This is the answer. Where is the option? 1 is not, A is not, B is not, C is the correct option. Okay. Thank you.